Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Payoneer verification code not received. Now if you are using the phone or the laptop, make sure you open or make sure you try to get verification code using the same browser you used before. Now if Payoneer not sending you the verification code, that means probably you are using a different browser or you are using VPN. So if you are using VPN on your phone or on your laptop, make sure you disable it until you get the verification code. Also, make sure you take the SIM card and put it in another phone and try to get the verification code. Sometimes it has to do with your phone. There is a problem with your phone. Okay, so just try this, it will work. Okay, now if you are using the web version, which is on your laptop, you can try to download the Payoneer app on your phone and then try to get verification code inside your phone. You will easily get it. Okay, you can also click this option that says call me. Now instead of waiting for verification code, you can click on call me and then you will receive a call. I'm going to do that right now. Now it says here season expired. You just need to reload the page and then click again on call me, and then Payoneer will call you and then they will say the verification code. You just have to remember it and then type it here. So the reason why this happens is not like instead of Payoneer saying hi, we think this is unusual, probably someone is trying to use your account, they don't send verification code. That's exactly what they do. So make sure the sign on your phone is high. It works perfectly. Make sure you try to call someone on your phone just to see if it's calling, so that your phone is getting enough sign so that you will be able to receive the verification code. Okay. I hope this tutorial helped you. Like I said, just try to use different browser. Also wait, probably you will send it to you later, but it's not going to be accepted, so you just need to click again on resend or call me. Okay, so drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone, so just go to the comments below and tell me your question. See you.